Well, hi folks, it's been at least 8 weeks since I've done a video, and it's at least 8 weeks since I've actually been up to the plot, so I've no idea what to expect when I come up here. We've had a big storm come through and probably everything's absolutely overgrown with weeds, so we'll have a look. I can't, I'm not too happy to wait and see what's going to greet me, but we'll have a look anyway. Oh gee whiz, I've just seen my main bed. Look at that. I've never had it as many weeds as that in my life. Oh dear. What do you think, dog? Yeah. So what am I up? Doors blown off my polytunnel as well. Oh god. Oh dear. So that must have been that storm's blown that off. What else have we got? Everything's a bit overgrown. Could do with a really good tidy up, I think, but this is the bit that's really bugged me. Oh god, my main bed, it's absolutely full of weeds. So let's see if it's frozen. It's just thawed out. We had a hard frost last night. As you can see, my cabbages are all blown. Kale looks alright. I think all the leaves have dropped off the red cabbages, but the heads look alright, so that's not too bad. Turnips are still growing, surprisingly. Gee whiz, look at the size of those things. Some buttes there, so that's surprising. Let's have a look, what have we got? Carrots should be alright, the tops have died back a bit, so that's what happens when you leave things for 8 weeks. Look at the state of that. Let's see what's in the polytunnel. Thankfully I did clean the polytunnel out a bit before I had my hiatus. That's the door that's blown. That's just blown a hinge off, that's all. I've got a few spring onions growing and a bit of that landcress. I planted some lettuce, I left them in. I don't know what they've... Oh, I've got a few little lettuce, so yeah, not too bad. So I think the first port of call is to have a major clear up, and I think we'll have to start with this bit. Right then folks, better get on with it. It's not going to do itself, is it? So I'm just going to hoe all this. I don't particularly like hoeing, but with it being no dig, but I've no alternative now. I can't hand weed this. So it should be quite easy with this tool. I should have brought some gloves because it's freezing. This is one of these, what they call them now, but they really get through it. And because they're only annual weeds, there'll be no roots in. Even these are annuals. So I'll just rake all the weeds up and compost them, and then we should be back to a clean canvas. You can usually get the roots up on these like that. But it shouldn't take too long. It's just a bit of a shock seeing it, and I've tried to keep it as weed free as I can all year. And that's what happens when you neglect it for 2 months. It's just starting to thaw enough, so as you can see, it doesn't take long with this thing, with this machine. I'll definitely ask anyone to invest in one of these. Look, scuffle hoe or something, absolutely razor sharp. Only goes down about a centimetre, if that. Just slices through all the weeds. So like I said, I'll just rake all these bits up. Big things there. Right, warmed you up anyway. So we'll keep going with that. Oh, out of puff. I've not done any exercise for about 2 months. So it's a bit of a shock to the old system. Alright then folks, that's it all hoed off, all the weeds hoed off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try and rake it all up Oh, I'm out of puff, and I've got a bit of a riddle that I've made. So what I'll do, I'll try and riddle all the soil out from all the weeds, and then we should be just left with clean weeds which I can compost, and then a big pile of soil that's come off the roots. So we'll give that a go and see how that gets on. Right then folks, let's get raking this up a bit. Try and get all the weeds out. Put them in 4 piles. And then try and rake the soil off the weeds. As you can see, I mean, it doesn't take long. It's just a bit of a daunting prospect when you first see it, and it's just a complete overgrown jungle. But once you get your finger out, get a nice day like this, it's supposed to throw it down tomorrow, so I really want to get it done today. Then at least it's this, well, at least this bit's done, which is the major bit. No point in trying to kill yourself and get it all done in one day, but if you just get it done slowly. Not too bad. Great big pile of it here. Gee whiz. Well, it's looking better already, to be honest. And once I riddle these out, it should look a lot better. It gets you a bit of exercise, which I've been sorely lacking in the last 2 months. Right, so that's that roughly done. We'll just see how this riddle thing gets on. So I've got a bit of a homemade riddle, not fine at all. It's about 10 centimetre. So we'll shovel this, leaves soil in the lot into this. We should be able to riddle out the soil, leaving the leaves. Which it's certainly doing. So that's that, and now I'm just left with a load of leaves, so that's a good one. And I'll just compost those. And I've got a nice load of sifted soil on the top. So we'll get all this done. And then that should be this job done. Oh. There you go. Oh, so we'll get it all done, get it tidied up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, right folks, there you go. Pretty pleased with that. Got it all done now. Totally weeded. And then all the weeds I've riddled to get the soil out. Got a big 60-litre tub of weeds and soil there to compost. But yeah, there we go. Bit of hard work. It's taken me about an hour, all told. It looks a damn sight better than it did. So that's my exercise for the day. It's getting a bit dark now. You can probably see by the long shadows. I was going to do a bit more, but sun's going to set in about half an hour, so I think we shall call it a day today. But I'm just glad I've got this bit done, because when I first came up to see it today, I was in shock at the mess. But like you say, if you pull your finger out, nice sunny day, get your ass down, your head up for an hour, you can get things done. So anyway folks, that's my first bit of winter prep done. See you later.